If there's one thing that my friends know about me, my friends, my relatives, Jack, that I don't like to be hot. I'm the kind of guy I like to keep it ice cold. I like to keep the temperature in the office a little bit chilly. I feel like I'm more focused that way. You get too warm, you get a little bit too comfortable. You get too comfortable, you doze off, you take a little bit of a nap. Gotta keep guys like Jack on their toes. Turn around and have a little blanket on and a pillow. This right here might be able to do that for you. I don't know. The Evapolar or Evapolar, your perfect local microclimate. Wait, what? A personal air conditioner that sits on your desk doesn't, what? It doesn't vent out a window? Like a window banger? What's it doing? What is this technology? This seems interesting to me. You can never get that right temperature. I'm too hot, he's too cold. She's too warm, he's too old. Dr. Seuss, you can have that one for free. It's gonna require some water in there. Don't do that. Do that. We don't need them. A power brick, a micro USB cable, the actual Evapolar. Pretty light. Uh-oh. Jack's favorite bedtime snack. Silica gel. I see a filter in there, a grid, a fan is on this side, protective covering on the screen. This is the water reservoir. Comes off. Fill that up in there. Micro USB port right there. I mean, this seems simple. I'm gonna get some water. Give me a second. What do we do? Oh, we slide her down from the top. Oh, it's going already. 23.3, what is that, the setting or the current temperature? Oh, this is a wheel on the top. Now, I'm feeling air, cold air. But how? It's sucking in air from back here. There's a cool light on it, yeah, can you see that? It's like a nice teal aqua color to it. That is actually cold air, this is not a fan. There is some tech going on in here. I may have found my new favorite desk accessory. When Jack's getting frozen out over at his desk, he goes, Lou, I can't feel my little tinklers. And I go, man up, man up. It might even be colder than our air conditioner. This is genius. Now it says 23.8 at the top and 22.2 at the bottom. One is the air it's sucking in and one is the air it's blowing out because it shows an arrow. Here's how they're suggesting you use it. So let's say, okay, 30 degrees would be a hot day, 30 degrees Celsius. But you can see it can knock it down by up to 10 degrees Celsius in some cases. Relative temperature is 24.3 and what it's pumping out the front is 19. I mean, that is brilliant. Oh my goodness. I just discovered the menu here. You can see how this wheel spins here. I get a menu. Color. Wow! There's a bunch of different colors. This is like a violet, sort of. A pink. Red. Yellow. Super light greenish. Light blue. Another kind of green tone. Darker green. It's like a little mood light as well. I think that's cool. We could turn the brightness of the mood lighting. You can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. When the evaporative cartridge dries out, the device notifies you by changing the color to this one. If we could do a better job at cooling the space directly around a person, create these microclimates, I don't know. It seems more efficient, at least in theory. This room gets hot, hotter than the other ones. Just create a microclimate.